Have you been trying NoFap for long but continue to be unsuccessful? You might be doing it wrong. Look at this list of habits you need to succeed at NoFap. The first habit is to gain credibility with yourself. This is the time to demonstrate to yourself that you do exactly what you say, because that's what it takes to succeed at NoFap. You should avoid viewing explicit material until it becomes second nature to you. It is very simple to gain credibility with yourself. Set small, manageable goals and then work toward it. For example, you could wake up at 5 a.m. and then set your alarm to wake up at that time the next day. This will give you confidence that you can achieve your goals you set out to accomplish. The second habit is to keep a journal. When I was hooked to adult content, I experienced a slew of negative feelings that made me feel awful, until I eventually fell off the wagon, and I'm sure you will as well. By using adult material, you also restrict a lot of negative emotions. As a result, when you abstain from it, these emotions surface, and your instinctive reaction is to watch adult content to distract yourself from them. Journaling is a better way to process these emotions. Journaling helps you clear your mind of the things that bother you. My favorite exercise is to write down what bothers me on paper and then tear the paper apart. Try this next time you have a strong desire to relapse. The third habit is to talk to a close friend or to go to therapy. Quitting adult content is stressful, and it's perfectly acceptable to seek support and assistance. The best way to get rid of stress is to talk about it and then do something about it. A good friend who cares about you and is willing to listen to you is an excellent way to express yourself. Talking to a good friend about your problems will have the same effect as journaling. If you don't feel comfortable being defenseless in front of your friends, you should think about going to therapy. From personal experience, I wholeheartedly endorse it. The fourth habit is digital simplicity. I'm sure social media played a role in 99% of your relapses. Nowadays, social media almost exclusively contains adult content. Women are aware that social media is rife with simps desperate to watch digital women. As a result, they post provocative photos and videos in the hopes of gaining attention from the simps as much as possible. Unfortunately, this only serves to harm you, brother. Using social media on NoFap 24 hours a day is like walking blindly on a landmine. Eventually, you will fail. The fifth habit is self-education. I believe you should learn about two topics. The science behind adult content addiction comes first and foremost. Gary Wilson's audiobook, Your Brain on Porn, is my favorite resource. You can check online for your free copy of Your Brain on Porn. I also like the Fight the New Drug page, which is a lot of anecdotes and information from men who have quit using adult content. Second, I recommend that you learn about habits. My two favorite resources are the audiobooks The Power of Habit and Atomic Habits. If you want to stop watching adult content, self-education is essential. Meditation is the sixth habit. Meditation teaches you that your thoughts are fleeting. This means they come and go, and if you don't pay attention to them, nothing will happen. What does this have to do with NoFap? So, do you want to ignore those sneaky thoughts that lead to relapse? Meditation is essential. Meditation is simple and free, and you can learn how to do it by searching for mindfulness meditation on YouTube. The seventh habit is to take up a new hobby. How much time do you spend watching adult content per day? I'm guessing at least an hour. This is sufficient time to experiment with a new hobby that will divert your focus away from adult content. Your hobbies will also help you connect with people, grow as a person, and are enjoyable. Back on my NoFap path, I joined a CrossFit gym and a running club. These diverted my attention away from adult content because I wanted to improve at them, and this necessitated avoiding PMO. The eighth habit is to improve your sleeping habits. A good night's sleep will alleviate stress and keep you in a good mood. This is critical for quitting adult content because you tend to use it to get rid of negative feelings. The better your feelings, the less you will need to use adult content and vice versa. Optimizing your sleep is a quick fix for this. Gratitude is the ninth habit. Gratitude is the best remedy to hopelessness, and I'm sure you felt it during your NoFap journey. My favorite way to practice gratitude is to write down 10 things I'm thankful for. Try being grateful. It will make it easier for you to believe that hope is on the horizon. The 10th and last habit is to never give up. If you never give up, this is the surest way to succeed at NoFap. It's only a matter of time before you stop watching adult content. It took me more than 2 years to give up adult content for good, but it was completely worth it. But I wouldn't have been able to do it if I had given up. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you won't miss the new videos that will come out that are all just for you.